What's the meaning of Christian Science? Christian Science. Christian Science.
Christian Science. Christian Science. Christian Science is a religious movement that emphasizes spiritual healing and the power of prayer. It was founded by Mary Baker Eddy in the late 19th century and is based on the belief that sickness and suffering can be overcome through an understanding of God's nature and the application of divine principles. Christian scientists rely on prayer, rather than traditional medical treatment, to address physical and mental health issues. The movement has been controversial and has faced criticism for its rejection of medical intervention in some cases.